Hi guys, this is Ken Chan and I'm going to answer Pika Pika's random questions.
Hi guys, I'm Rita Daniela and I'm here to answer Pika Pika's random questions.
Ang matulog ng maaga. Kasi natutulog ako lagi ng mga alas 6 ng umaga, alas 5 ng madaling araw, for kailangan kong i-change yun at kailangan kong matulog ng mas maaga. Kahit walang trabaho, hindi ako nakakatulog ng mga below 12 midnight. Kailangan, inaantok ako pag mga 5 a.m. pag narinig ko na yung mga huni ng ibon. Yan, doon ako nakakatulog. Kailangan ko baguhin yun kasi siguro dahil sa trabaho, nasanay ako na ganun yung body clock ko, nasira na talaga.
Being overthinker. Super OA, like until now I know I'm still trying my best to not overthink things. Yun, ang hirap kasi pag nag-overthink.
Tungkol saan?
Everything, like bata pa lang ako I overthink. And you know, it's not healthy kasi if you keep on overthinking, stress eh. And you know, I have acid reflux. I got it when I was 18 years old. So my doctor said that now that you have an acid reflux habit, you have to have a healthy lifestyle. And I said, paano po ako magkakaroon ng healthy lifestyle? No stress. Doc, paano po? So there.
I really want to be a pilot kasi that's my dad's dream. And gusto ko ipagpatuloy yung dream niya, which is hindi niya na pagpatuloy yun. So I took up tourism sa Binil, and then plan ko na maging piloto, pero hindi natuloy dahil nandito ako sa showbiz.
Hindi pa naman.
Pwede pa naman, hindi pa huli ang lahat. So kung may pagkakataon na tapusin ko yung course ko, so tatapusin ko. Kung papalarin man, maging piloto, why not?
I'm a superstar. Yeah, mahilig talaga ako sa artista bata pa lang. Super, iba yung happiness ko when I watch television and I see stars, you know, and lumaki po kasi ako sa pamilya din ng mga artista. My lolo is Terry de Guzman. So, Lolo Teroy and Lolo Dolphy was really close. So, lumaki ako na every time may gathering yung Kizan family, nandun kami. At nung buhay pa rin si Lolo Dolphy, nadadalo ko siya noon. So, nung bata ako, open na ako sa mundo ng showbiz. Nadadalo ko si Lolo Dolphy sa taping niya noon.
Pinapag-perform ka niya.
Oo, tapos basta nakikita ko na kung paano i-taping, natuwa ko, ito pala itsura ng mga lights, ang ganda. Bata pa lang ako, ganda na ako doon. Tapos pag nakakakita ko ng stage, also, Tito Rico, Tito J. Puno is my mentor. So, bata pa lang ako, nakikita ko ng performances niya, yung mga kasama ng artista nagpo-perform sa stage. Sabi ko, gusto ko maging ganyan paglaki ko at nakikita ko one day, I said one day, I will be there too.
Si Winnie the Pooh.
Bakit?
Alam mo kasi si Winnie the Pooh, sa totoo lang, alam na natin na may edad na siya. Pero siya yung meron siyang puso ng isang bata. So, si Winnie the Pooh kasi nagiging masaya siya sa mga simpleng bagay. At ganun din ako sa totoong buhay. Nahanap ko yung kaligayahan sa mga simpleng bagay.
Si Ali of The Notebook. Similar kami kasi of how she loves. Like, Ali kasi if she wants something, she really do something to get it. Because I overthink. May times pa rin na, you know, I'm a bit like indecisive. But once I am decided, and you know, nag-decide siya na okay, I will choose Noah, and you know, I will be with this person for the rest of my life. That's who I am also. It takes time for me to decide something. So once I made it, it's done. Like, it's done deal. That's it. So, yun. And also Ali is an artist. I like to paint too, so much. And I love reading books. I love ice cream. And I'm super adventurous also. That's why I think every time I watch The Notebook, oh my gosh, I think I've seen it for more than 10 times na. Pero every time I watch it, I cry. Like, I cry like a baby talaga. Kasi nga, I think, nakaka-relate talaga ako. And I know, I can see myself kay Ali.
Naniniwala ako sa soulmates dahil si Lord ang may gawa. Dahil ginawa ni Lord kung sino ang tao na para sa'yo. At yun yung tinatawag na soulmates. Baka nandyan lang siya nagka-take. Ay! Ayan na tayo.
Yes. I think I have found my soulmate. It's just that now I understand that hindi lahat ng soulmates are not sige, hindi lahat ng soulmates are meant to be together. You know? I've found mine. But yun yung nangyari eh. Na-realize ko siya na ganun. Soulmates kasi it's, you know, it's this soul that are really talking to you. Like, when you just look at each other, you understand everything. And everything just, you know, just goes smoothly. But soulmates are really, ano ba, mahirap silang kalimutan eh. But also, kahit na, ano ka ba sasabihin? Wow, tinamaan ako sa question mo ha. Napaisip ako doon ha.
Pero kung hindi kayo nagkatuloy, nandiyan pa rin siya.
Ito yung gusto ko sabihin, that's the thing. Kahit na hindi kayo nag-work out yung soulmate mo, he or she will always just be there. Because memories are memories. You know, it's up to you if you will hold on to that or make another one. Or make another one with somebody else. But for me kasi, when I make memories kasi, I treasure it so much. Like, kung hindi siya mag-work out, I'm so grateful for it, you know? Kasi it just means that, okay, you had a beautiful journey with this one. Or not so beautiful journey with this one. But the thing is the great news. Isipin mo yung you did the right things with the wrong person. So what more with the right one? We all have our, you know, love stories. So just keep making them.
Naniniwala ako sa horoscopes. It's just a way of life. Siyempre, kailangan pa rin ng dasal. Sinasabay ng dasal. Pero naniniwala ako kasi every time na binabasa ko yung horoscopes ko, every week, every day, or every month, tugma lagi eh. So, naniniwala ako, it's just a way of life. It's just a guide. Pero kailangan pa rin ng matinding dasal sa lahat ng mga ginagawa.
Yes.
Ano ka?
I believe in that. I'm a Virgo. Ako kasi I love reading people. Just like reading books, you know. I love to observe everything, everyone. So when I see something in that person, I ask them, what's your zodiac sign? And kung sasabihin nila yung sign na okay, sabi ko na nga ba, I knew it. Ewan ko, naniniwala ako sa ganun. Naniniwala. Alam ko rin talaga, like yung vibe kung magkakasundo kayo ng tao. Virgos are perfectionists. They're really passionate. And there's two types of perfectionists kasi. Like the good one, and the other one is the creepy one. Like the super perfectionist. Yun yung talagang main character ng Virgo. And yes, I am that. Like I'm really perfectionist and I am passionate. And everything I do, as in I make sure that, you know, kasi I won't settle for less. You know, like okay lang or okay na yan. If you know that you can do more or something better, then do it. Kasi, you know, life is short. Totoong life is short. We really don't know. So, you know, if you want to eat ice cream, then eat ice cream like the big one. Kasi you don't know eh, when are you gonna eat it again? So for me, yun kasi yung character ni Virgo. And Virgos are fearless. Mabuti siyang tao at lahat naman na nabasa ko sa kanya ay totoo. Napakabuti niyang tao, humble siya, at saka malaman niya yung pamilya niya sobra. Which is, you know, kahit sinong tao, mapapahanga ka sa kanya. Kasi lalo na nga sa panahon ngayon, hindi nasisira na yung ganun eh. Yung ano kasi ngayon masyado ng career-driven kasi yung mga tao nowadays. So, sa sobrang pagkakaano mo sa career or sa work, nakakalimutan mo yung, oo, may naiiwan ka. And most of it, yung family mo. And, I salute Ken kasi he always makes time. He always make time for his family and friends. And I see how he also treats his supporters, his friends. Ang saya-saya niya kapag kakausap niya yung mga fans niya, yung mga humahanga sa kanya. Nakikita ko sa kanya na gusto niya talaga yun. Gusto niya yung ginagawa niya, gusto niya yung trabaho niya. Gusto niya talaga maging artist.
Oh! Parang labingi ako doon ah. I'm sorry. Labingi ako pagdating sa love. Ilang beses na ba? Siguro 4. Apat na beses akong na-in love at nabaliw. Nabaliw, de, joke lang. Meron.
Hindi namin.
Pero bata pa ako noon.
Parang hindi nasagap na radar namin yan.
Bata pa ako noon. Tsaka nag-umpisa pala ako sa showbiz noon. Pero friends naman na kami ngayon. Hindi ko nga alam eh. Kasi bata pa ako noon. Nasa Twin Hearts pa lang ako noon eh. So,
Sino yan? Pass naman eh.
ano po?
Pass naman ah.
Pass?
Pass naman ah.
Anong
Sino
pass?
nga yan?
Hindi, pass naman na. So, ninigawan ko kasi at saka napakabait na tao nito, si Berry.
Everyday. Romantically.
Romantically, my definition of love is God. It's everything. It conquers all. So, I'm in love with the people who, like, with music, with art, with everyone. Kapag yung alam mo yung pagdadaan ka sa ano yung mga makikita mong tao, yung mga simpleng bagay na kung sino palang walang-wala, sila pa yung kaya mo mag-share. I'm in love with that. So, but okay, to answer your question, romantically, super love, Thrice.